In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage your Wix website using the tools available on manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com. We'll walk through each step from logging in to your Wix account to setting up a maintenance page, ensuring a seamless and professional display while you work on enhancing your website. To get started, you'll want to go to wix.com and log into your account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on your dashboard. Here you can manage all the different sites associated with your account and select the one you wish to edit. Click on the site you're looking to update and you will be directed to a page with a variety of editing options to choose from. Next, if you're planning some major renovations and want to keep your visitors informed, creating a maintenance page is a great way to go. Head over to the site editor and click on the Add Page button, which is usually represented by a plus sign. Name this new page Maintenance or Coming Soon to ensure it's clear to any visitors why the main site isn't accessible at the moment. As you design this page, remember to include a succinct and polite message like, "We're improving our site! Check back soon!" It's also important to maintain brand consistency by incorporating your logo or any other identifiable branding elements. To engage your visitors while they're waiting, consider adding a contact form or a newsletter sign-up, which can help capture leads. Additionally, social media links are helpful so that your audience can stay updated on any progress through your existing channels. Once your new maintenance page is designed, you'll need to set it as your home page. Navigate to the left menu and click on Menus and Pages. Hover over your maintenance page and click the three dots or more options icon. Select Set as Home Page to ensure that all site visitors will arrive directly on this maintenance page, keeping everything neat and manageable during your updates. We're not quite done yet. You also need to hide the other pages of your site from public view. Still in the Menus and Pages section, hover over each page you have listed, click the eye icon, and choose Hide from Menu. For added privacy during your renovation, you can go deeper into page settings under Permissions to password protect the pages or restrict them to members only. Finally, when everything is set to your liking, click the Publish button. This will make the maintenance page live and it will remain the main destination for your visitors until you're ready to switch back. When that time comes, you'll simply reverse the process. Set your actual homepage back to its original